Hello, welcome to my channel, blah blah blah, psych and lacribe, and all that other stuff that takes up the first minute of normal YouTube videos. Anyway, the following is an excerpt out of my book, How to Buy Your Happiness. So, a couple of years back I had a politically active friend, and she posted this inspiring quote on Facebook about how to change the world. Now normally, these things make me roll my eyes, and then they make me feel bad for being a bad friend. But, I digress. The quote was, "We vote for the world that we want, by the dollars that we spend." Now for the first time in my miserable internet troll existence, I found a quote that was inspiring on social media, and it got me thinking. For example, if the majority of the population turned vegetarian, I bet McDonald's and KFC would turn to vegetarian menus pretty quickly. So, if you do want to change the world, you can do it subtly and quietly from your tiny wallet. You don't need to be starting problems on the streets like the extremists from both the right and the left sides of a political ideology spectrum. And this goes beyond consumer spending. It also applies to investment. Beyond Meat, Bitcoin, and Tesla have had rapid growth in their early years due to true mum and dad investors, who together provided millions and millions of dollars. I love the idea that we can change the world from both an investment and a consumption angle. If you want grassroots activism, do this. The numerous mum and dad investors easily can outspend the political lobby of any rich corporation, just so long as there is enough of us spending money in the same direction. Why should Bill Gates or the Koch brothers have all of the fun in deciding how to change the world? Now, I originally believed myself to be a little bit optimistically naive when I started this form of investing, until I witnessed the 2021 Reddit GameStop event. If you missed it, a group of millennial garage investors got word that some large hedge funds were going to trade in a way to purposely bankrupt a popular business, which is GameStop. Now, a group of millennial investors all posted their outrage on the Reddit forum, and through sheer people power, they saved the retailer and caused massive financial damage to the hedge fund who tried to destroy this business. If this concentrated effort to save a retailer can outmuscle a gang of billion-dollar hedge funds, imagine what we can do for businesses who are trying to do good for the world. For my portfolio, the majority of my money is allocated to investments which primarily provide growth and safety, or as more commonly known as an Index ETF. But I do have a side allocation invested into companies purely who I want to succeed. I only check their balance sheets for big red flags, and they are far from having the most promise in the market. But I invested in them, as I want to live in a world where their products are commonplace. So, thank you for listening, and if you want more information like this, please feel free to look for my book, How to Buy Your Happiness. And also, please remember to psych and lacribe. Thanks, bye.